Every one of these meetings came from LinkedIn outreach that nobody sent by hand. Let me show you the machine. This is Salescadia. It runs LinkedIn outreach from your rep's own accounts and turns it into booked meetings. Here's what the running campaign looks like. You describe your business in one sentence, then we read your website to learn more about your product service to generate 3 suggested ICPs. Then we draft who to target and what to say by looking at your key features, social proof, and real pain points. We help prioritize who you should reach out to first, maximize the amount of connections, and ultimately meetings you're getting booked. And we want you to communicate in a way that you feel proud of. So we let you choose your personal style and refine this as the campaign runs. But if you're not ready to go full AI yet, that's okay. You can review all of the prospects before messaging, as well as all of the messages before they send. In just 30 seconds, you can have a LinkedIn campaign ready and going, working for you while you can focus on other important things. Every message is personalized from the prospect's own LinkedIn activity. Nothing sends without your approval unless you want it to. And when you edit one, it learns your voice. It sends from your rep's real accounts, ramped from 5 invites a day up to 25. Business hours only, there's a dedicated IP per account. Across every account running today, 0 have been restricted. Replies land in one inbox, sequences stop the moment somebody responds, and interested prospects get your booking link. That's a meeting booking itself completely autonomously. In campaigns running a week or more, about half of cold invites get accepted. A third of connections reply, and every 100 invites has booked 3 to 4 meetings. Our newest customer had her first meeting booked in only 4 days, and nearly all of our customers have their first meeting booked within the first week of working with us. And it's free until your first meeting books, so the only thing you're really risking is a full calendar with salescadia.com.